Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Farmington, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving within Farmington doesn't have to be a daunting task. 3 Movers is your trusted local moving company, dedicated to providing reliable and efficient moving services within the city. Our Farmington local movers possess in-depth knowledge of Farmington's unique neighborhoods, traffic patterns, and logistical considerations, ensuring you a seamless and stress-free move. We have the expertise, state-of-the-art equipment, and meticulous attention to detail to handle your move with precision and care. Rest assured that with our exceptional local moving services, you can focus on settling into your new Farmington home, exploring the local attractions, and immersing yourself in the vibrant community. We expertly handle the heavy lifting and intricate logistics, making your transition a breeze. If you're planning a long-distance move from Farmington to another state or vice versa, 3 Movers is here to make your relocation stress-free and smooth. We understand the unique challenges that come with long-distance moves, and our experienced team is well-equipped to handle them with the utmost professionalism and care. From packing your belongings securely to coordinating transportation logistics, we ensure your possessions safe and timely manner to your new destination. Rest assured that our Farmington long-distance 3 Movers will provide you with regular updates throughout the journey, offering you peace of mind and reassurance. We offer competitive pricing and customizable moving packages tailored to your budget and requirements. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Farmington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.